Hello everyone, how are you all? You're doing good? Okay, so in this session we are going to learn the diagram sound. It's a vowel diagram. And what sound are we going to learn? It is A. So the vowel A and the vowel I, when they are put together, it makes the sound A. What is it? Repeat it once again. It is A. Okay. But before that, we'll start with the story. Here goes the story. So there was a boy. Can you see this picture? So there was a boy. Once he got up so late from the bed. And when he got up, he complained of ear pain. He had severe ear pain and he started saying, "Ah, I'm feeling so hurt. My ears are hurting. I'm in pain." So then what happened? His mama took him to the doctor. So he went to the doctor to get his ears checked. The doctor asked him, "How are you feeling? Are you able to hear anything?" What did the boy say? He couldn't hear anything. And then what happened? The doctor put some drops into his ears and tada! What happened? The wax came out of his ears and he could feel so light and he could hear everything and he was so happy. See, the boy is very happy that he could hear everything clearly now. Yes, so this is the story for the sound A. And what's the action for the sound A? It is A. You have to cup your hands and you have to put it behind your ears and say A. A. What's the song for the sound A? My ear is hurt, I was in pain. A. A. My ears are hurt, I was in pain. What did you try to say? A. A. Okay, so this is the song for the sound A. Next, we are going to move towards the reading part. Okay, we are going to use this sound and we are going to try reading the words. Okay, so you can see so many words written here. This word, so you can see that there are so many letters here, but we are not bothered about the number of letters. We are concentrating on the number of sounds we can hear in a particular word. So if you take this word, which is the first sound, it's the phonic sound. It is th. And then next is this one. So this makes only one sound. So it is A. Th. A. So I think you would have guessed it right. It is pain. Pain. So how many sounds you could hear? You could hear 3 sounds. A. Pain. Pain. You have to always run through your index finger when you are reading it. Okay. Pain. Pain. Okay, it's pain. So now I'm going to make it a little interesting by adding the letter T at the last. So now can you try reading it? A. So now you could hear 4 sounds. So it is A. So what it is? Paint. 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 It is paint. So the word is paint. Well done. You're all doing a good job. So next we are going to try reading the word. What sound does it make? And the next is A. A. May. take? Okay. So it is a main. It is main. Alright. So the word is main. Okay. So this is how you read the words. Always remember that you have to listen to the word and then you have to find out how many sounds you are able to hear. The letter sounds or the digraph sounds. Okay. So this is how you have to use the sound in the words. Okay. Try doing it at home. I guess you are all very smart and you will be able to do it. Okay. So keep practicing. You can try reading these words as well. I think we have done with this word. So next we will move on to this word. It is G. It is what it is? I know you have got it. Gain. The next word is a what it is? A main. Yes, well done. And the next one is b a brain. Brain. Make it faster. Brain. Well done. And the next is rain. Well done. You're all doing a fantastic job. So now you see these blank clouds here. You can fill in your own words which has 3 sounds, but try using the sound A in the middle or in the center. Okay. I am sure that you are going to find some more interesting words. Okay. Till then, you have to also practice writing the sounds. Okay. The first sound, second sound and the third sound and the complete word here. Try practicing it this way. I'm sure that you are all going to do a wonderful job. Okay. See you in the next session. Bye bye.